How to turn on battery full charge voice notification on Samsung. So let's get started. Open settings on a Samsung Galaxy phone, then go to the advanced features, then toggle Bixby routines followed by Bixby routines text. Now tap on the add routine tab at the bottom. Then tap on the plus add icon under the if condition and scroll down and tap on the battery level option available there. Now enter the battery level percentage at which your Samsung phone should alert you. Since we want to get full battery alerts, enter 100 and select the equal to or above options. Then press the done button available there. Now tap the plus add button under the then section. Depending on your preferences, you can make your phone do a variety of things when the battery is fully charged. For instance, you can make it vibrate, announce that the battery is fully charged, play notifications, or activate age lighting. Finally, tap on the next button at the bottom. Now give a name to your routine and select an icon for it. Hit done at the bottom. So that is it. Now the routine will run automatically and alert you whenever the battery is fully charged on a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.